So my plan yesterday was to get out and try flying the drone and try to get the thing to follow me, or at least try and fly it while riding the bike. Anyway, I ended up coming along Ben Ridge Road, and I was coming in this direction, and there's a turn-off, which I've seen before and I've been down before, and previously I've come down in this direction here and come to this river crossing here and been unable to get over it. This time I thought I'd check out Russels Road going the other way. So I only got as far as this intersection here with the St Patrick's River, and that's where the bridge was out, and I didn't make it. I came back along Russels Road, got back onto this track here and flew the drone along this region here for a while. Only a short time, the battery ran out, and then I packed it up and moved on. So this short video is just about this little ride here. So I've been going along Ben Ridge Road, and I turned off that just to go down this side track. And I've got onto Russels Road, which loops around and comes back onto Ben Ridge Road further up via the map it does. Whether that's accessible or not, I don't know. It's pretty overgrown. There's some trees down here and there, and I don't know whether I'll get through here or not. I've got a feeling I came through here years ago on the Guzzy, but I might be mistaken on that. Anyway, I'm going to check out Russels Road. After that, we're going up through Paradise Plains, and I want to get over towards Branksholme and Paris Dam Road, so I've got a little way to go. I've sort of come the long way to get here, and just having a bit of fun. I've actually brought the drone, and I flew it over the tin hut that I found a few days ago, but there are too many trees to get close to it. Too risky. I don't want to burn out another drone, so I only photographed it from above. Share what I see. The Enduro guys might take this on, I don't know. Looks like some have. So the bridge disappeared. So it looks like some guys have been coming down here, across there. It's way beyond me. So yeah, they've been going up this very, very steep bit over there to get through. Good on them. No way I'm doing that. So, we'll turn back. I'm used to turning back. I've done lots of it. Well, we got the low battery message while I was riding along, and the drone returned to home, which is good. It never got lost. Back to Ridge Road.